Hi, good day, everyone. So today I would like to share about the new features that I found out from this GitHub. So it's the GitHub web editor. Okay, usually, I think we are doing some editing of all these README file. I think directly from here, right? So like with this edit this file. Okay, so you can do this as well, and of course you can also preview your changes right here directly for all these README file or maybe even your codes. And after that, you commit the changes, right? So I think it is good. So, but maybe you probably wanted something more productive. So I think recently I found out this GitHub web editor, which is pretty useful. So what you need to do is just to press the dot on your keyboard and the magic will happen. So let's see. Click on the dot. So you're setting up your web editor for that repo itself, right? So what I like about this is basically the multi windows that I can use. So it's basically it's like a Visual Studio Code, but it's a web editor. So right here, so if you see here, I have the preview for my README file, and I have this my README file, the raw kind of like coding. So when I scroll up or down, actually the README file will also follow as well. So this I think is very good, so that you do not need to like scroll up or down or whoa. And of course, I think if you have another things coming up and kind of like you wanted to compare it with something else, you can just split the screen. Okay, so either by the right or even if you wanted to split it down, that's possible as well. So let's, I think if you see here, they say need to press on the alternate button. Okay, so you can just split this to more. Okay, so that you can, if let's say you have more codes or more things to see, okay, then I can just close it. So yeah, I find this is pretty productive, and hopefully this quick sharing will be helpful for you. Thank you.